So let's proceed to Myra Strain-Levin's conservation model. Says that nursing is a human interaction that promotes adaptation and maintains wholeness either by acting in the therapeutic sense or by providing care in order to influence adoption favorably or toward renewed social well-being. So kung paano tayo makipag-interact sa mga patients natin, nakakatulong yun para maka-adapt sila ng pagbabago sa katawan nila and sa paligid. So as a nurse, nagiging helpful or therapeutic din kung paano tayo makipag-ugnayan sa patient para makarecover sa usual na pamumuhay nila. So meron siyang 4 na principle sa conservation theory niya. So first is conservation of energy. Nurses helps their patient to recover sa pamamagitan ng pag-advise about tamang pahinga, pagkain at kung paano ang tamang pag-aalaga. By that, hindi nagiging drain ang pasyente and hindi nakukonsume ang whole energy niya. So pangalawa naman, which is conservation of structural integrity. Ito naman is yung pag-aalaga ng nurse sa pasyente physically. As nurses, we help them. Here for example is wound dressing para maiwasan yung infection and mas matulungan natin sila gumaling kaagad. Yun yung conservation of structural integrity. So pangatlo naman, ito yung tinatawag na conservation of personal integrity. Unang-una sa lahat, we should respect the patient's right and privacy. Iparamdam mo sa pasyente mo na his feelings are valid dahil ang stress ay nagiging reason sa hindi agad paggaling sa pasyente. Parang ganon. Inform of respecting their privacy. Parang ganon. So last, number 4, ito ay conservation of social integrity. As a nurse, we help the patient to keep in touch with their loved ones. By keeping their family's company, mas gumagaan ang loob nila and nakakatulong ito para gumaling sila kasi nararamdaman nila ang care at love ng family nila. Let's proceed to meta-paradigm in Levin's model. So, obviously, may 4 tayo which is person, environment, health, and nursing. Sa person, a well-being with unity and integrity. So, syempre, tayong mga tao, kailangan natin ng pagkakaisa. Sa environment naman, internal and external surroundings that affect the person. Sa health, a state of balance and wellness, the ability to adapt. Sa nursing, a human interaction that helps patients conserve energy, body, dignity, and social life. So dito naman, yung mga patients kasi kailangan nila ng full attention. Kailangan nila yan para mapaglibang sila, tapos, or para maayos nila ng mabuti yung buhay nila. The importance of Levin's theory gives a holistic approach to nursing. Protects the patient's body, mind, and relationships. Very useful in hospital care, rehabilitation, and community health nursing. In conclusion, Myra Strain-Levin 1920 to 1996 made a big impact in nursing. Through her conservation model, she showed that patient care is not only about curing illness, but also about conserving energy, body, dignity, and social life. Her work continues to guide nurses in providing safe, respectful, and holistic care up to this day.
Good morning, Yanen. Kumusta pakiramdam? Thank you, kamusta? Kasakot pa rin po yung ikan ko at parang po, po, mabago. Okay, tutulungan kita makapag ng energy mo. Pagkatapos ko linisan yung sugat mo, makakapagpahinga ka muna. Mag-alala, maghihilom din yung sugat mo. Magkakaroon lang naman siya ng konting teklat, pero sa susunod na araw, matatanggal din mo na.
Nakakaya rin po kasi sa trabaho, baka makita nila.
Okay, naiintindihan ko. May mga paraan din para mawala to. Kung iniisip mo yung work mo, pwede kitang i-recommend sa social worker natin para matulungan ka.
Maraming salamat, nurse. Mas gumaan ang pakiramdam ko.
No problem, Janelle.